Blocking someone on Google Meet can help you maintain a more secure and comfortable meeting environment. Follow these steps to block a participant effectively. Step 1. Open Google Meet. Launch the Google Meet application or visit the Google Meet website in your web browser. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Step 2. Start or join a meeting. Either create a new meeting or join an existing one. You will need to be the host or have the necessary permissions to manage participants. Step 3. Access the participants list. Once in the meeting, locate the participants list. This can usually be found by clicking on the people icon or a similar option in the meeting controls. Step 4. Find a participant to block. Scroll through the list of participants to find the individual you wish to block. Click on a name to open the participant options. Step 5. Block the participant. Select the option to remove or block the participant from the meeting. This action will prevent them from rejoining the current meeting session. By following these steps, you can ensure a more controlled and pleasant experience during your Google Meet sessions.